Hey, this is Ryan from Reserva. Today I'm going to talk about the Add Multiple Pages add-on we've developed for Concrete 5. If you've ever been in the situation where you're starting to build a website and you've got lots of pages to add, well, this is the add-on that might help you do that quickly. So I've got a default install here, and I've installed my Add Multiple Pages add-on. You'll find that appears in the sitemap menu option over here. So here's my normal setup, and just say I want to create some pages quickly underneath the services page. This is what I can do. I can go to the Add Multiple Pages page. I can select the page type. Now in this case I'm going to create empty pages first, but you'll see that there's the other options here, and we'll get to that in a bit. Pick empty page, and then I'm going to say pick that services page as the parent page. I can pick the page template that I'd like the new pages to be created. And in here, I'm going to write a few services. So I might go web design, programming, and server deployment. Now, if I hit create pages here, I'll have these 3 new pages created with that page type and that page template done like that. However, we can do a little bit more than that, and we can speed things up if we've got sub pages. So for example, if I wanted to add underneath programming some pages underneath that, I can put a dash, and then I can go PHP programming, it might be JavaScript, and then underneath this, if I do 2, I can add some pages underneath that child page. So I might want to do jQuery, and I might want to do Node. So I've effectively created a nested structure, and I've got the help for that up here if you ever need to be reminded how to use that. So okay, let's hit create pages, and we can see that 7 pages have been created. We go back to the sitemap and we'll have a look under our services, and there we've got our 3 pages there. We've got our programming page, and there's our 2 nested pages there. So that took only seconds to type those in, and we've got all those pages built. Now let's just go back again and have a look at the other page types. Now with the default install, we've got a bunch of different page types, and often you use that for a particular type of information in a site. So let's take, for example, job postings. If I wanted to add some job postings quickly, I can pick that page type, and we'll see we get the same sort of functionality again. And I'm going to pick underneath, I think it's under team, under careers here. I'm going to create these new pages, but note that it's only giving me the page templates that match that page type, and that's one of those things you can configure to say, well, this page type has these page templates. And let me add some ones in here. SEO guru, it might be network admin, and social media manager. But underneath, you'll see that there's more options exposed, and these are the ones that are exposed when you've got the composer set up for that particular page. So just say that in this case, we wanted all these new roles, these new job postings, to have a department of technical and operations. Well, I could pick that here, and that will be applied as an attribute to all of the new created pages. So let's do that now. And you can see that 3 pages have been created, and if I go back out here and have a look under careers, there's my new careers there, and if I look down, you can see that these pages have been created, and you can see that they've been put in the right department. So this add-on could potentially handle 20, 40, 50 pages all created in the one hit, and it's simply a case of cutting and pasting your list of pages into the list here. Okay, so that's the add-on as an overview. I have put this add-on onto GitHub, so if you have any questions, or you have any suggestions or bug fixes to make, I really appreciate that. If on the other hand you are wanting to install this package into a commercial site, or you're wanting to use this with support of the marketplace for updates, I've also put it on the marketplace there for a small fee. So there's the 2 options for you. If you're running a non-profit and you simply don't have the finances to pay to use the add-on, I'd prefer that you just simply get some use out of it. You can grab it off of GitHub and install it and use it at your leisure. If on the other hand you do have a budget for a commercial site and you'd like to say thanks, or you'd like to support the development, or even just would like to use the marketplace facilities, you can grab it from there as an auto install. Cheers!